Now we are going to cover database buffer cache. Okay. For me, this is the most critical memory segment of SGA. Okay. Now, what does database buffer cache? What does it do? What is the purpose of this particular memory segment? Stores copies of data blocks which are read from the data files. Okay. Now, let me go back to. Now, suppose a user has requested some data. What it has done, it has executed select statement. Select star from employee table. Okay. Now, obviously, your data, your all the data is stored in the data file. Okay. Nobody can access the data file directly. So this data will have to go to the memory area in the SGA. Then only a user can read the data from the memory. Are you with me in this concept? No user can read the data from data file directly. It takes a database instance. Now, the data which is there in the data file is uploaded in the SGA.
Why we can't access the data directly? Wouldn't it be faster? So we don't have to copy it around?
No. So first thing, reading the data from the disk is very costly. You might have heard disk input output, disk IO. It is very costly. If you are reading data directly from the disk, it's not performant. Second thing, until unless you have instance, you cannot open these data files to read the data file. Okay. Directly we cannot read because again this is binary files. So we cannot double click on the file or we cannot use ls in data file. So there is only one way we can access the data in the data files via instance. Select all from employee table. Now the data of the table is there in the data file. It will be copied in the SGA, in the memory area. Copied data is stored here in the database buffer cache. Actual data is stored here. Okay. So there are n number of users who are selecting the data from the database. All the data from the users will be kept here. For example, I have executed a command select all from table 1. Okay. I have executed, I got the result. 10 minutes after, Easter also executed the same command. Okay. Now, Easter try to understand where it is faster. Okay. Now you have also again selecting all the data, select all from the table 1. This data buffer
It's
holds
already
the data.
cached, so it's faster.
It's faster. It is already cached. And data will remain here. Okay. The algorithm is again same. The least used data will be wiped off. It will be moved off out of the cache by the database itself. There is a background process that takes care of this clean. And I'm going to cover this shared pool and database buffer caches separately. Okay. These two segments are very big. So I will tell you each and everything how a SQL, you will see that how a SQL is being executed. So I'll take these two segments separately again. Okay. But for now, we are going to understand what it does and why they are in the system. From 19C onwards, okay, or Oracle related operating system. Okay, Oracle related operating system is OEL, Oracle Enterprise Linux, and Oracle Solaris. So Solaris was also back, long back. Solaris earlier was an independent company like Red Hat. It was acquired by Oracle. Since then, it is Oracle Solaris. So that is why I'm telling Oracle related operating system. So from 19C onward, this segment is also created. This is optional again. Okay. If we want to create, we can allocate memory to this segment. Okay. This is nothing but the extension of database buffer cache. So purpose of this area is to again hold the data. Okay. It again holds the data, but on a different device. Not in this instance, but on a different device. That is also flash device.
Is
In
this
real,
sorry?
yeah, go on.
I already read that it is only for, and you said it's not for Windows. Is there a
No,
special reason it's not for Windows, or just, like marketing reasons,
no,
business?
not much. And there is a technical reason behind that. So the kind of device it use, okay, to hold the data, it is supported by only those operating systems for now. Okay. Going forward, this area will be added. Even when you will find 21C, or I have not gone through 21C yet. So 21C, in fact, 23 test release is also launched. So we might see that this particular segment can be created for other OS as well. 19C, the kind of device it uses to hold the data is supported by only OEL and Solaris. And this is the extension of this cache. But in most cases, they serve the purpose. It serves all the business requirements. Okay. If you want to use additional device, okay, if you want to keep it uh, open for all the time, then you can do it. And if your business needs it.
So please, as you are explaining any new things, for example, what is this Oracle related operating system? You listed two OS, right? Can you please write down in this document itself? That would be really great. It would be like a little cheat notes for us, for me
Yeah,
at least. So, like, if you can,
sure. I believe it must be there. See, it's on the very first line. It is an optional
okay.
memory extension with the database buffer cache for the database running on Solaris or Oracle.
So most of the clients have their Oracle installed on this Solaris or Oracle Linux. Means Windows don't Oracle doesn't prefer having Oracle installed on Windows machine.
No, that is not the case. This is not the case. Usually, Oracle database is preferred to install over Linux and the flavor of Linux. Okay, HPUX, AIX, Solaris, okay, Red Hat Linux, Ubuntu. Usually, as per audit requirements, they are considered more safe, so safer than Windows. Okay, managing window is a different thing, but there is no compatibility issue. What I have usually seen that if it is a small database, they use Windows machine. If it is a large database, then usually Linux is used. But otherwise,
Okay.
there is no. The only thing managing the things are bit easy.